Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add your bio on Tinder. Let's begin. First, open up your Tinder app. Once you have it open, look on the upper left-hand corner. Do you see this little person icon right here? Tap on that. Okay, once you have tapped on that, look over here at this little pencil mark, and underneath it, it says Edit Info. Tap on that. Takes you here. Once you're here, scroll down. Do you see where it says About Me? If you tap on there, you'll be able to add a bio. And pay attention to this number right here. This number tells you how many characters are left. As I'm typing, you see that number will go down. Let's say hello. See, as I'm typing, that's going down. Wait. Hello. Looking for friends. Okay, that number went down to 474. That means that's how many characters I have left. But anyways, after you have done adding your bio, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see where it says done? Tap on that. If I scroll down, there you go. That's where it says hello, looking for friends. That's how you add your bio on Tinder. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.